One of the important preps that people should be getting are wound care kits. This one costs $6.25 plus tax. It comes with 25 things. The 25 things I'm going to show you because it's right here. And I'm going to turn on the big light to do this. 8 gauze pads, 4 inch by 4 inch. 4 2 inch by 2 inch, which is usually, you know, gauze pads. For covering, that's cleaning. Covering, you get 4 non-stick pads with adhesive tabs. Yes, they're all made in China, but it doesn't matter. Okay? They get 4, whether that's 3 inches by 4 inches, or 7.6 centimeters by 10.1 centimeters. Then you get 4 non-stick pads with adhesive tabs, 2 inch by 3 inch, or 5 centimeters by 7.6 centimeters. Yes, made in China, but here's the thing. To clean wound, apply medication, or use as secondary dressing. And then for that's the 8 ounce of the 4 count of that, the gauze, is to clean wounds, apply medication, or use as secondary dressing. For the non-stick pads, it says primary dressing protects and absorbs for low to moderate draining wounds. Then, for secure, 4 wool gauze, 4 inch by 2.5 yards, or 10.1 centimeters by 2.28 meters anyway. Secure dressing for areas that flex or bend. Then 1 roll of paper tape, 1 inch by 10 yards, or 2.5 centimeters by blah blah blah. Secure dressing for areas that bend or flex for securing the ends of rolled gauze. So yes, you get it clean, you get cover, you get protect. Then what's really cool is it says for common wounds sites ranging in size from 1 to 3 inches, which may include lacerations, abrasions, minor burns, dressings may be cut or folded for specific wound size. Now, and here's the thing. Here is the instructions, okay? I'm going to see if I can, yeah, I should be able to see that. Okay, so it says, and this is actually helping, and yes, I was playing solitaire. Use a gauze pad to gently clean in and around injured areas with mild soap and water. Dry injured areas and apply medication if necessary, not included. Discard the used pad, apply a non-stick pad as a dressing for low to moderate draining wounds. Secure the dressing in place by loosely wrapping the area with wool gauze over the top of the dressing. Secure the end of the wool gauze with paper tape as needed. Be careful not to restrict circulation by wrapping or taping too tight. It says not made with blah blah blah. So yeah. But anyway, this is a 25-piece kit, and this is actually the one I like. I think I have this one when they were in an orange box somewhere. I gotta find that one. If I can't find it, I have 2 wound care. No, wait. No, the one I do have is. Let me just. The one I do have is from Walmart. But yeah, but honestly, this is actually a really good thing to have. It comes with instructions too, which is nice. So you're like, oh god, I don't know how to clean the stuff. And also, here's a 3-step process: is cleaning, cover, secure. Yeah. 3 steps for effective healing. And honestly, that's actually I like. You count, okay, you do that, and da-da. Yes, it is made in China, but guess what? That's okay. Because if you're using soap and water, it's disinfected. If you're worried about whatever, right? But honestly, this is actually a good piece of kit to have in your medical kit. Honestly. So yeah, anyway, I wanted just to show what I got. This cost $6.25 at Dollar General. I think it cost $6 and something cents. And I said, Definitely, because I needed one of these. Because I can't find the other one I have. But once we find the other one anyway. So anyway, hope you found that informative. I gave you directions how to use it. Also, I read it off the box. So yeah, anyway, thumbs up, comment, because guess what? That gets me into the algorithm, which means more people see me. More people go, hey, and all that. So anyway, peace, y'all. Have a good rest of your day.